Hey, it's Nick. I know I'm a little late to this trend, but I'm gonna try rug tufting. This is a rug tufting machine. I've never used it before, and I also hate reading instructions. So I'm gonna try to figure this out really quick and get started. Okay, this is my stretched fabric for the back of the rug. I'm gonna just freehand this and try to make it look like a kind of doodle. So I'm gonna start with the black outline and see how it goes. Okay, I changed my mind. It's a little too hard to concentrate on drawing while I'm trying to move the machine around. So I'm gonna pull all of this out and draw the shape I want and then redo it. Okay, let's try this again. Finish the black outline. This is it from the back. This is it from the front. Now I'm gonna change the color and start filling in everything. I finished the outline, eyes, teeth, and tongue, and now the final color is this teal for the whole body. I finally finished filling in the blob color, so now I'm going to use some rug glue and smear it on the back, and let it dry, and then I'll be able to finish everything. The carpet glue has dried, and now I'm going to cut out the rug and finish all the edges and put a backing cloth on it. Now I'm going to trim the edges and hot glue them so that it looks nice and neat. This is non-slip backing for the rug so that on like tile floors it's not going to slip around. So I'm going to cut this to size and then attach it to the back. Now I'm going to trim up some of these loose threads and make it nice and clean. Okay, here is the final rug. I hope you guys like it. If I were going to do it again, I would really want to work on making sure that all of the yarn comes out at a consistent length. I think that's partially due to the pressure that you push the machine against the fabric. Because I did go through and trim, and I tried to use this shaver thing, which didn't work super well. Maybe I just need a better quality one. But I think it turned out pretty well for my first rug that I ever made. So let me know in the comments what I should make next. And thank you for watching.